Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I am going to be showing you how we can sell our Shiba Inu on crypto.com, and I'll be doing this step by step to guide you through. Alright guys, first step is simply open up crypto.com. So once you've had crypto.com opened up, you simply click on this sell icon right here. You give it some time to display your cryptocurrency assets. You click on Shiba Inu, and we're going to be selling, converting, or swapping our Shiba Inu into any cryptocurrency asset of our choice, or as listed right here. We could sell our SHIB into Doge, USDT, Ethereum, the USD coin. So we'll simply be clicking on, once you have Ethereum selected, you simply enter the amount of SHIB you'd like to sell, which is our max 90,000 SHIB for 0.0051 Ethereum. You click on sell SHIB for Ethereum. You're given the fee, which is 0, the rate, and the amount. So you click on confirm, you enter your passcode. There's a time limit given for, I think, 12 seconds. But we successfully sold our SHIB. Alright guys, that's how you can sell your Shiba Inu on crypto.com. You simply head over to the account section just to confirm that your SHIB was sold. You click on this, you reload, and boom, Ethereum has been given for 0.95 cents. So now we have Ethereum on our wallet available by that conversion or that selling of SHIB to Ethereum. As you can see here, the order is given and everything. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can sell Shiba Inu on your crypto.com mobile app, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.